Okay, so I've been getting complaints for a while now about my what appears to be very nice LG washer and the fact that clothes come out with scum on it, and no matter how many different, what do we have here, whatever wash machine cleaners we try, clothes come out with some kind of like little scum marks, and it's just the strangest thing. So caught a video that said there could be some buildup on the inside of this drum, and then we have to get this drum out. And the first thing we have to do is pop this cap, which I've already done. And first signs, there's some scum in there. It's pretty gross, but worse. Look at that. That's what is to come when I get this thing apart. The next thing is I got to take that 10 millimeter bolt out of there, and then we'll see what happens next. All right, step 2 is not complete yet and required watching videos, but I believe it's going to work. And essentially, I've installed 2 screws into some of these holes across from each other, right? 1, 2, and I'm going to use some pliers and try and pop this thing out. It's stuck because it's full of gunk. All right, I'm not gonna lie, that worked, and that was super actually easy once I got those threaded in. I actually had to use a screwdriver to kind of force them to thread down, but we're about to reveal what already looks to be a problem, and I'm gonna be grossed out, I'm sure. Yeah, right. So we got a lot of, looks like buildup of gross nonsense down in here. And the underside of this bad boy, actually surprisingly not too bad. I've seen some videos where these are much worse. And so we're going to clean this up. I do need to take these bolts out. You see, bolt, 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 bolt. I got to get all that out. We're going to lift this drum out, and it requires me to lift the whole top off of this washer. So we're going to step back here and get you a view. Got to take the top off of that washer to get to the drum. All right, that was a little bit of a pain. So you slide the top panel forward, but this wiring harness is a restriction. So I've got it wedged up against the wall, and then I used a tie down strap to hold it up. This is in lieu of figuring out some other way of loosening that cable or disconnecting the wiring harness. I'm trying to save myself some time. So I got to take this plastic ring off, which should have some clips underneath it to pop it off. I think there's 4, so we're gonna get that off. And then I gotta get those bolts out of the bottom, and then it looks like I gotta do potentially something here on these corners. We'll find out. All right, it's out. There were 6 bolts down there, and a few extra clips on that top ring, but you can see down there it's pretty scummy. Not as bad as I thought and I've seen in other videos, but yeah, down there, that ring is gross, full of detergent and grime buildup. So I got to clean all this up. This is the stuff that circulates back up and sticks to the clothes. And you can see this ring has some hard buildup on it. I haven't done a 360 look, but this thing's going to be shining when we're done. All right, so you can see the general buildup. Not as bad as I've seen on others, but I'm starting to wipe it down there, and you can see just some vinegar and water is pulling it off. It's just going to be a process. I don't have a pressure washer. All right, that's a reflection of a stain on the ground, but this thing is clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean on the inside, and clean on the inside of this. Now, this I'm not happy with. I feel like I can see in between the metal and the plastic, and I think it's full of detergent stuff, but this part can be replaced. I know that, so I might consider replacing it next time I go to take it apart, because I'm assuming that stuff can come out at some point and just create more of a problem. So I came inside and scrubbed this thing down the best I can. You can see there's like corrosion on the wheel, and I used a wire brush, like kind of a soft brush one you use on tile, and did the best I could. And then all this stuff is loose, so I'm hoping to put this thing back together and just flush that out the bottom. I don't really know another solution to do that right now, and I'm not gonna figure it out. So we're just gonna hope that it sucks it all down the drain. And the next big thing is going to be getting these bolts lined up to the bottom of my drum, which is now sparkling. So I'm sure that will be fun, but we'll get it done. All right, just quickly, I got those bolts back in. Not too hard. Just needed a little flashlight, and they're all cranked down. All right, the next step was snapping this ring on, and I think I said 4 clips. It's more like 6. You can see one right there. You just kind of pull underneath it to pop it free. There's a bunch of those. But yeah, now got to put the ring back in the bottom, bolt it down, put the cap on, and drop this lid, and hope that it works. All right, the inside is reassembled, and now we just need to drop this lid, unhook it, drop it in, and slide it back, and put two screws back in, and give it a slide. All right, we got it all back together. We're running a cleaning cycle. We're gonna try and flush out the rest of that stuff. We'll give it another wipe down, and start doing laundry. How exciting. All right, we ran a cleaning cycle, and it looks like it spit up the stuff that was left in the bottom. There's nowhere else for that to have come from. So I've got a little cleanup to do, but maybe the rest of it flushed. All right, so I ran a quick wash just to get some extra water run through it, and I only had a couple specks in there of material, so I think most of it has flushed out, and I should be good to go. So we'll call that project complete for now, unless something bad turns out, but it doesn't look like it's going to be that way. So all in all, a little bit of hard work, but hopefully we will have clean clothes without any residuals from the detergent and other buildup that collects in these tubs.